Union Minister Pralhad Joshi has assumed charge as the Union Education Minister today, a day after President Draupadi Murmu accepted the resignation of Pradhan. Soon after assuming charge as Education Minister, Pralhad Joshi chaired a review meeting of the ministry in which he assessed the implementation of various schemes and other initiatives. The Union Minister of State for Education, Jayant Chaudhary, also attended the review meeting. After taking charge, Joshi praised the work of his predecessor, saying Pradhan had implemented the national education policy and overseen several important initiatives over the past 4 to 5 years. Further, the new education minister also maintained that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has placed full trust in him and hence given him the new responsibility. Pralhad Joshi, who currently serves as Union Minister for Food and Consumer Affairs, took over the additional responsibility of the Education Ministry following the resignation of Pradhan amid nationwide protests over examination paper leaks. Sports Authority of India Sports Training Centre, SKTV Kumalampak Imphal, organized Sundays on Cycle in commemoration of Kargil Vijay Diwas. The cycling event held under the theme Indian Armed Forces as part of the Fit India movement was flagged off by 26th Sector Assam Rifles Commandant Mohammad Akbar from the front office of SKTV Kumalampak. The route passed through Kanglapat, Sanjainthong, Hapta Kangjebung and Hatta before returning to Kumalampak. Over 100 cyclists, including several women, participated in the event. Speaking on the sidelines, Commandant Mohammad Akbar underscored the vital need to keep the body fit and healthy, stating that nothing is more valuable than good health. He further said that everyone must engage in regular exercise and physical activities such as cycling. The Assam Rifles Commandant also expressed his gratitude to the organizers for providing paramilitary personnel with an opportunity to participate in the event on Kargil Vijay Diwas.
Patriotism has important amore. If we live up live Ningba, Muslim live up with Toba, have a sicarino, of Hova, Kanbang missing though, have the Massa, healthy over me, Adu Kakana Kanbang with them. Just in Akiba, Natragana drug take, I shouldn't let away of Hobagio and the Propongamoy. I don't know in a city events, Maru and Aquena, Masita Aquena, Aina, pinning was Logandicarino, have a matam, no to drug yes to life for Helaga. Drug the Kanba, Amasum, Quick Sansia of Hova, Lamid Salanba. Ama anisibana ekhoi afabo wakhan khallaga ekhoi haksangsi fanabo henba amasung faraga ekhoi lebak ki damakta khanba lebak ki fanaba tobiramba inkhal liba angang sing sisu ekhoi namasigi thi kano sida idea sida ekhoi namoi promote toba every khudi kano khudi mak steps khudi mak tomoi bu karai de soi ki de ki habese ekhoi na tawraba mati khoi gi lemhori bangang hogli bangang sing china mohne si khoi gi matau tawdurini